What does that word mean? Have you ever seen a word and thought, what does that mean? Well, guess what? You don't always need a dictionary. You can be a reading detective. Welcome to Reading Island, where we solve word mysteries. Context clues are like hidden treasures in a sentence. They help you figure out what a word means. Let's try this one together. The boy was exhausted after running, so he sat down to rest. What does the word exhausted mean? What clues do we see? Running and rest. So exhausted means very tired. See? Context clues help us figure out meaning. Okay, detectives, let's take a look at this sentence. The elephant was enormous, much bigger than the other animals. This word is enormous. What clue can help us figure it out? Did you see it? The clue says, much bigger than the other animals. So enormous must mean very big. Good job, detectives. Let's try this one. The room was dim, with only a small lamp lighting the space. Your turn, reading detectives. What does dim mean? Did you notice the clue? There was only a small lamp, so the room wasn't very bright. Here's your Reading Island strategy. Look around, find clues, think about meaning. You did an amazing job, reading detectives. Keep learning and growing. Friends, please like this video, share, and subscribe to Mrs. Randall's Reading Island for more learning adventures, including my new series, Learning with Journey. I've linked the playlist in the description. I'd love for you to go check it out so you can learn, sing, and dance along with Journey.